Well, that was a long, hot day. I've just finished working on site, but I'm not the only one that's been busy today. Jenny has been cleaning up these flower beds so we can make room for fresh plants going in shortly. So she's done this one, cleaned all that compost up, and she's also took those marigolds out. We're going to put them in pots and then plant something else in there, and at least that celery's now got a lot more breathing space. We've also swapped one of his cucumber plants. The other one's not doing too good, but this one is definitely growing. So we thought we'd swap over that obelisk to give these a chance. It looks like she's been moving various pots around as well. I think his lettuce might need a bit of water actually. It's getting really warm now. I can spy some more strawberries. We love it when we get strawberries, even if they're not quite ripe. We just put them on windowsill and within a day they're fully ripe. There's another one there. I'll leave that one for another day. We've also got some tomatoes that's starting to ripen as well, which is good news. We've been waiting a long time. There's another strawberry. Looks like it's strawberry day today. And another nice one just there. Take them while we can. There's also a few tomatoes on this plant and they're also ripening. So the sun is doing these plants good. I've also just seen this one. That's just a 2-litre pot with a strawberry plant in it. But on the other side, look at the size of that strawberry. Fully ripe, ready to go. Brilliant. We'll take that off and let it put some energy into these ones that's still growing. But that is a very good size. Jenny's also fitting a new carpet. While I've been at work, she's been very busy. I'll leave her to that. I've got things to do too. You'll probably remember the other day I shown you a couple of these potato plants that we've got growing from potatoes that we harvested. And that is not the two that I shown you last time. That's what they looked like. They was just coming through. But only a few days later, they now look like that. These are doing brilliant. These are at a point now where we could transplant them into the big containers. We know we're guaranteed to get some potatoes from these because we got quite a lot last time and some really good sizes too. So in just a few days, these potato plants have gone from that to that. Amazing. I'm only doing a very short video today because I've been non-stop doing this gardening job for the last 4 hours and it's really hot as well. So it's going to be a shower and a nice cold one. One thing I definitely don't want to do is too much too soon. Otherwise I could end up with an injury and we don't want that. So those potato plants well and truly on the way. Another 2 have just emerged and I've got 2 more that's yet to emerge from that compost. But looking at these, they're definitely on way. And 4 really good looking strawberries as well. So this is probably the shortest video I've ever made, but I'm not just going to walk around waffling just for the sake of it. I'm pleased with what we've got there. I'm pleased with those plants. Jenny has done a brilliant job tidying those beds up and now working in bathroom to fit that new carpet. And meanwhile, it looks like I'm finally on top of this job. So a little bit every day just to keep it fully maintained and that will be sorted. Anyway, time for a shower and then a drink. And if you want to see what I'll be doing over the next few days, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. You take care.